Our pesky producers, I can't believe they did this to us. They played a little Halloween trick on us this morning. Basically, we thought we were going into the Lucemin green room to just give a little talk to camera about what our biggest fears are. Take a little look at what happened.
Having accidentally seen myself naked this morning, the thing that scares me most is my bum sagging any more than it already is, because eventually it's going to be...
What scares me the most is the thought of appearing on a live television show whilst wearing a sexy dress.
The thing that scares me the most has to be deep mud. See, that didn't even scare me.
My biggest fear is ageing.
I went in first for that. And then when I came out with saying to the producer, I said, I bet you anything, Jane and Katie don't bat an eyelid.
And they didn't.
And they didn't. I was right.
I jumped a bit.
My heart was... No, I could see you jump, but you just kept your absolute cool.
And so did you.
In a
Cool as a
crisis.
cucumber.
I went to a place called Tully's Farm this week, and I think
know
I've been
there.
desensitised by it, because whatever's going to happen happens there.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, you're amazing. We're two of us.